Welcome back to your girl channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope my lovely people are having a great day, or if it's not, you're watching your girl, I hope you all are having a great night. Just welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare for you some nice Jamaican curry fish. Yes, that is what I will be doing in my kitchen today. So sit guys, just relax and enjoy your girl as usual in her kitchen doing what she loves to do. Alright, so stay right there guys, and I show you how to prepare this nice curry fish. Okay, here are all the ingredients that you're going to need to do this Jamaican curry snapper. Here I'm using some onion. I have some Irish potato cut in julienne strip. I have my pimento seed along with some garlic, and I'm using some sweet pepper. Some person call it bell pepper, and you don't have to use this, but I like the flavor from it, so I'm using it today. And I have some carrot here, my julienne strip. I do have some chocho, some thyme, and I have some scallion along with my scotch bonnet for sure. And also I have two nice snapper here. So this is what you will need in doing this dish. And I do have my curry powder here along with some butter. So I am going to go ahead now and start the cooking process guys. So as I said, stick right there and watch your girl doing her thing as usual. Alright, so I have my pot on the fire here. Just a small amount of oil. Alright, I'm going to use a little butter. So I'm just going to let that melt in my skillet. I am going to burn my curry. You can see here I am burning my curry in the butter and the oil. Alright, and then I'm going to just add my fish and let it just stay in the pot for a little while, and then I add my vegetable. Alright, so I'm going to add my fish. These are some really nice snappers. Just gonna let it stay for a little while. Now I'm gonna cover. Gonna add some onion here. I'm gonna add my my Irish potato, carrot. I'm gonna add the chocho, my pimento with my garlic. Here I'm gonna add my scallion and thyme. Okay. And for the sweet pepper, I am not going to add this to the fish right now. Reason being, this is easy to cook. So when it's almost cooked, then I will add the sweet pepper to it. And also the scotch bonnet, I am going to add it in a little while. So what I'm going to do, add some water here. Okay. And leave this to simmer down, okay? So there you go. You can see here the fish is coming to a boil now, so I'm going to leave it, and in 10 to 15 minutes this is ready guys. I'm cooking some rice here. Fish is almost ready. Okay, it's coming down to a simmer, and I'm also preparing some vegetable over there. Okay, alright, so in a little while I will be adding the sweet pepper to my fish. It's almost complete. Okay, so I add the sweet pepper also with the scotch bonnet pepper. My beautiful people, as you can see, fish is complete and ready to be served, guys. And I just want to say thank you for watching me in my kitchen today. I hope you will go ahead and try out this dish, and you all just have a great and a blessed day.